Today we visited Italy, which is known for the most precise pastas in the world, where the food becomes an art. Home of the Colosseum, the Leaning Tower of Pisa, and much more famous structures. Green, white, and red, well, you'll definitely get fed. Arrivederci! Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Krusty and the crew, back again with another vlog for you guys, man. I hope you guys are having a good day, good morning, and good night whenever you guys are watching this, man. Check it out, check it out. I got an interesting one in store for y'all today, but before we get into this, let the crew introduce themselves.
It's Mariah once again.
What's good, y'all? What's good, y'all? It's your boy Prodigy, you know what it is. Back at it again with my boy Krusty. Got invited right here. We're about to be two gorditos bien bonitos.
Yeah, for real, man. If y'all don't know what two gorditos bien bonitos means, it means two big boys that are cute as fuck, bro. You feel me?
Yes, sir.
Whatever way you want to explain that,
yes,
you
sir.
feel me? But I'm excited, man. I need y'all to go like, comment, subscribe today, man. We are doing an Italian food review. We are traveling to Italy, man, and we're gonna be trying some authentic pasta. We are here in LA in front of Pasta Sisters Italian Deli, man. You ready? You ready for some Italian food?
Yes.
Yeah, you ready for some Italian food, bro?
Man, I'm fat as hell. I just want to eat.
Me too, man. I'm hungry, y'all. I just woke up a couple hours ago, so I'm starving. My niece tried to wake me up for this video, but I'm really, really excited. So I need y'all to go like, comment, subscribe, show some love to Pasta Sisters. Search them up, man. We are here in LA, mid-city. Let's get it, man. Let's go ahead and get right into there and order our food and start grubbing, man. Let's get it. We are here, man, inside of Pasta Sisters. I'm really excited. This place smells good. It looks good. It's authentic.
Olive oil, the tomatoes, the flour to make the pasta, everything is Italian.
Oh wow, this
so
is
we're authentic.
Yeah, so she said basically it's the grandma recipe. You feel me?
Yes.
Everything authentic, straight out of Italy. So this is gonna be really good. I appreciate it. Thank you so much for the humbleness.
Thank you for coming.
Of course, thank you.
Focaccia bread,
Focaccia bread?
and it's made every morning here in the house. We import the olive oil from Tuscany and the balsamic from Modena.
It's real. Hey, it's real authentic in here. I like this. We're gonna go to the back where they make the food. I'm excited, man. Come on.
My utensil. Thank you, good sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Grazie, grazie. Oh, that came out soft.
That looks good.
Gives me childhood memories. Childhood memories, straight up. I ain't gonna front with you. I know she mad because I'm eating right now, but yeah. Yo, y'all, I'm a messy eater, straight up. It look nice, but it ain't no more.
So my niece got the pesto with burrata. I'm assuming the burrata is the cheese and the pesto is the green.
Fuck it up. Fuck it up. Oh! Damn.
That's definitely cheese.
Scrunches.
That shit looks spot.
I like it. It looks like this.
That's funny.
Yep.
I got the #1 seller of the store. You feel me? It's called the I forgot how to say it.
Bolognese.
Bolognese. It's hard to say, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. So to my Italians out there, y'all, help me out, bro. Put it down in the comments. I'm excited to try this. Oh man, this looks so fire, bro. Woo! That all the heat came out. No, hey, this right here. When you think of authentic, this is authentic right here, y'all. The meat is soft, you feel me? The pasta is soft, and just the taste is so good. One of a kind, y'all. Y'all gotta go show some love to them, bro. Pasta Sisters, you guys are killing it, man. The best sisters out there with the pasta, you feel me? It's the grandma's recipe of authenticity. Love it, man.
This is one of the best. This is like the best pasta I ever tried. If you guys want to go somewhere, get some pasta, go to Pasta Sisters. Cause it's like it's fire, bro. I did not know this was gonna be fire.
I already finished my food. Not gonna lie, it was busting. And to be honest with you, my rating for my lasagna, I would rate it about, I want to say, 10 Martin heads, 10 Prodigy heads, you know? It's so busting, bro. Like, my eyes were popping, my mouth was watery. I was like, damn, bro, it's a delicacy. I like lasagna. It's one of my favorite, things to eat. But I like it when it's authentic and when it's also shown with love. Like, ever since we got here, we've been getting all the love and everything, and I appreciate the restaurant too. Come to Pasta Sisters, they're amazing. It's bussin'. The cooks are chill. Everybody's chill. The only thing is if like, you know, you gotta go to the bathroom, make your stop to the gas station, then go over here, you know what I mean?
This got me saying hallelujah, y'all. Hallelujah. The pasta, the pesto it got me full, but you know what? I still kind of ate it. Pasta Sisters, y'all, it's so good. I'm not, oh wow. Like, it was popping. Like, I liked it. Like, it's a true delicacy, and all I gotta rate it is a freaking infinity out of 10, y'all.
This food was really good, man. It was amazing. Like Prodigy was saying, the delicacy was amazing. Yo, the authenticity was so good. It was grandma's recipe with amazing authenticity, bro. When she said grandma's recipe, I felt it. I could taste it. It felt like it was straight out of like literally a home kitchen, bro. It didn't even feel like we were in a restaurant. I gotta give it a 9 out of 10. You know, that's just me being straight honest. 9 out of 10 is really high. The only reason I take off the 1 point is just, you know, the spacing of the store. But this is the #1 pasta place, bro, in LA to me now. And you feel me, this is the first, you know, restaurant that they had built in order to actually expand. My boy over here rubbing his tummy. Show me rubbing that tummy. You know, hey, and if you guys don't know, if you guys actually do this, it makes you smile, you feel me? But look at my niece being goofy.
I almost finished it all.
Homemade pie. We have apricot, Nutella, the famous chocolate hazelnuts that we have in Italy, chocolate and ricotta with chocolate chip. The ricotta imported from Italy. Sfogliatella napoletana is a crispy pastry filled up with ricotta cheese. We do make our tiramisu here, peccato, and it's made with the base of the tiramisu, but instead of having the coffee, this is for kids too. It's made with chocolate cookies.
She said, eat it, brother, eat it.
Eat it, bro.
Bro, I love Nutella.
Thank you for coming, guys. It was a pleasure having you here. Young kids appreciating Italian authentic food, it's always a pleasure. We try to keep it very simple but delicious. Our goal is to have everybody appreciate the really Italian cuisine.
Of course, no, I thank you so much for that. You were very humble. The customer service here is great. You guys got to come show some love to Pasta Sisters. They got the best pasta and the best sisters. You feel me?
Ciao, arrivederci, ci vediamo presto. He knew it.
Arrivederci.
Pasta Sisters, man. Go show them some love, man, for reals. They are amazing. They have humble customer service. All the workers are amazing, bro. This place was just good, bro. In that case, you know what we need to do is go visit Italy for reals this time, bro.
We gotta go to Italy, Mama Huevo. Come on now.
Mama Huevo.
Mama Huevo.
You gotta shout out to me because I told Brandon to get out because I was actually hungry.
It was her idea to come try the Italian food. So shout out to Mariah, obviously. Like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. I love you guys so much, man. There is not much else to say, man, but come show them some love, bro. Appreciate food like we appreciate it. You feel me? You don't know how much money goes into these stomachs. Show some love to my boy Prodigy. You guys will see him in a couple more videos. Love you guys, man, from the whole world. America, your boy Prodigy, the homegirl Mariah, your boy Cam, and Krusty Vlogs. Arrivederci!